Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we dive into a fascinating paradox. Why are the wealthy flocking to buy beachfront mansions even as sea levels continue to rise? We'll explore the confidence in private flood protection systems, the luxury of premium insurance options, and how short-term investment strategies play into this trend. Join us as we unravel the many layers behind this real estate phenomenon, from exclusive climate adaptation technologies to the undeniable allure of prestige and scenic views. Don't miss out on this insightful discussion. 1. Confidence in private flood protection. Wealthy homeowners have an ace up their sleeves when it comes to protecting their beachfront mansions: advanced private flood protection systems. These systems are not just your average sandbags. They include high-tech seawalls, elevated foundations, and sophisticated water pumps. For the rich, these defenses are as essential as the homes themselves. They are willing to invest heavily in these technologies to safeguard their properties against rising sea levels. Imagine a fortress that stands tall against the tides. This is the kind of security the wealthy can afford. The assurance that their homes are shielded from potential water damage gives them the confidence to invest in these coastal paradises. 2. Access to premium insurance. Another layer of security for the affluent is their access to exclusive, premium insurance policies. These are not your typical insurance plans. They are tailored to cover a wide range of climate-related damages. For a hefty price, these policies provide peace of mind, making the risks associated with rising sea levels less daunting. It's like having a safety net that catches you when the unexpected happens. This financial cushion allows the rich to continue purchasing coastal properties without the fear of losing their investment to natural disasters. It's a strategic move that further fuels their confidence in owning beachfront real estate. 3. Short-term investment strategy. Some wealthy individuals view beachfront properties not as long-term homes, but as short-term investment opportunities. The real estate market is known for its potential to generate quick profits, and coastal properties are no exception. The strategy here is to buy, hold, and then sell before the climate effects become too severe. It's akin to a game of musical chairs, where the goal is to profit before the music stops. This short-term perspective reduces the immediate concern over rising sea levels, as the focus is more on immediate returns rather than long-term sustainability. 4. Government and taxpayer-funded bailout. Historically, governments have stepped in to provide relief and rebuilding funds for areas hit by natural disasters. This has often benefited wealthy property owners, who can rely on taxpayer-funded bailouts to restore their damaged properties. It's like having a backup plan that doesn't come out of their own pockets. This historical precedent gives the rich the confidence that they will not be left in the lurch should a disaster strike. Knowing that government assistance is a possibility, they continue to invest in these high-risk areas despite the looming threat of rising sea levels. 5. Exclusive access to climate adaptation technology. The ultra-rich have a distinct advantage when it comes to accessing cutting-edge climate adaptation technologies. These technologies include artificial land elevation, advanced drainage systems, and other innovative solutions. It's like having a toolbox filled with the latest gadgets to combat climate challenges. This access ensures that their properties remain protected and valuable, even as sea levels rise. The ability to adapt and innovate gives the wealthy an upper hand in maintaining their coastal investments, making them less susceptible to the fears that haunt less affluent property owners. 6. Desire for prestige and scenic views. Regardless of the risks posed by climate change, beachfront properties remain the epitome of wealth, prestige, and exclusivity. The allure of waking up to the sound of waves and having a panoramic ocean view is irresistible to many. It's not just about owning a piece of land, it's about owning a piece of paradise. The rich are drawn to these properties for the status they confer, and the risks are often overshadowed by the desire for such luxury. This craving for prestige and scenic views keeps the demand for beachfront mansions high, despite the environmental warnings. 7. Confidence in future climate engineering. Some wealthy investors place their faith in future climate engineering solutions. They believe that innovations such as artificial cooling systems or large-scale ocean barriers will eventually mitigate the effects of rising sea levels. It's similar to betting on science to solve today's problems tomorrow. This belief in future technologies gives them the confidence to continue investing in coastal properties, trusting that human ingenuity will prevail. The hope that these solutions will become reality provides a sense of security, allowing the rich to maintain their investments in high-risk areas. 8. Political influence on zoning laws. Wealthy developers and homeowners often have the means to influence local governments, particularly when it comes to zoning laws. This influence can lead to the relaxation of regulations, allowing continued development in high-risk coastal areas. It's a powerful card to play, ensuring that their interests are protected despite environmental concerns. This ability to sway political decisions is a testament to their power and influence, which they use to maintain their investments and expand their real estate portfolios. The assurance that they can navigate the political landscape to their advantage keeps them investing in beachfront properties. 9. Luxury real estate demand outweighs climate fears. Despite the dire warnings from climate scientists, the demand for luxury real estate, especially in coastal areas, remains strong. For high-end buyers, the allure of exclusivity and breathtaking oceanfront views outweighs the potential risks. It's like choosing to dance in the rain rather than worry about the storm. This persistent demand drives the market, encouraging the rich to continue purchasing these properties. The promise of owning a slice of paradise is too tempting to resist, and the potential for future appreciation adds to the appeal. This demand ensures that beachfront mansions continue to be a hot commodity. 10. Private disaster evacuation plans. The ultra-rich have the resources to plan for the worst-case scenarios, including private disaster evacuation plans. They can afford helicopters, yachts, and other means of rapid evacuation, ensuring their safety in the event of a disaster. It's like having a lifeboat ready at all times. This ability to quickly and efficiently escape danger reduces their concern about the risks associated with living in coastal areas. Knowing that they can leave at a moment's notice provides a sense of security that encourages continued investment in beachfront properties, despite the looming threat of rising sea levels.